Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something that every embroiderer faces at some point. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, mistakes happen, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the top tips for fixing embroidery mistakes and making seamless repairs. Plus, if you want to avoid mistakes in the future with perfectly digitized designs, I'll tell you all about digitizing.com, a fantastic embroidery digitizing service that can make your life so much easier. Let's get started. Tip number 1, assess the damage. The first step is to take a good look at the mistake. Did the fabric pucker? Is there a thread break? Or did the design stitch out unevenly? The type of mistake will guide you in how to fix it. For smaller issues like a misplaced stitch or a small knot, you might be able to fix it without removing the entire design. For larger mistakes like poor alignment or tension issues, you may need to take out sections of the embroidery. Tip number 2, carefully remove stitches. When you need to remove stitches, use a seam ripper or small embroidery scissors. Take your time and be gentle to avoid damaging the fabric. For tight stitches, flip the fabric over and cut the bobbin thread first. This will make it easier to remove the top stitches. And if the mistake is too big, sometimes it's better to start over completely. Here's a tip. When you're working with a detailed design, having a perfectly digitized file helps reduce these mistakes. That's why I recommend using digitizing.com to create professional clean embroidery files. Tip number 3, use stabilizer for repairs. Sometimes when you fix a mistake, the fabric may be stretched or weakened. In this case, you can apply a patch of stabilizer to the back of the fabric to give it extra support. This ensures that your repair will blend in seamlessly with the rest of the design. If your design isn't stitching out correctly, it could be an issue with the digitizing. With digitizing.com, you get professional quality digitized designs that help prevent errors from the start. Tip number 4, restitch the design. Once you've removed the mistake, carefully restitch the design. If you're using an embroidery machine, make sure it's properly aligned before restarting. Some machines allow you to skip to specific parts of the design, so you can continue from where you left off. Hand stitching mistakes can also be repaired with similar thread and stitch patterns. For best results, use a digitized file that's been optimized for the fabric and thread type. Digitizing.com provides customized digitizing so your design stitches out perfectly every time. Tip number 5, covering up small mistakes. For minor mistakes like small holes or misaligned stitches, you can cover them up creatively. Add a patch, extra stitches, or embellishments like beads or sequins to hide the mistake and make the design look intentional. If your original design had too much detail that made it prone to errors, digitizing.com can help simplify and optimize your design for embroidery. They specialize in custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services, ensuring your designs stitch out perfectly. Whether you need 3D puff digitizing, logo embroidery, or just a simple design, they offer fast turnaround times, free edits, and secure payment options through PayPal. You can trust their expertise to help you avoid common embroidery mistakes. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these tips help you fix any embroidery mistakes and make your repairs look seamless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more embroidery tutorials and tips. And remember, if you want to prevent embroidery mistakes in the future, visit digitizing.com for high-quality professional digitizing services that will take your designs to the next level.